You just found the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, power passenger seat, power liftgate, premium sound system, satellite radio. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.